So hey guys, it's me Soham again, and I am now back with another opportunity for the freshers. This time I have come with an opportunity for the PCA and BSc people who want to join an IT company like Wipro. Wipro is giving them an opportunity, and I must say this is a wonderful opportunity for such people. This is WILP 2021 will from Wipro. As you can see, it is the Work Integrated Learning Program 2021. Okay, first of all, the link of this video will be in the description. You can find it and you can apply it from right there. Now, as you can see, this is a 5 year. At first, I should tell you this is a 5 years uh, dedicated bond period. On joining, the candidates would have to require sign a service agreement for 60 months. That means it's 5 years. And here, as you can see, the stipend details are also given. First year 15,000, then second year 17,000, third year 19,000, fourth year such like that. So that means Wipro is going to give bear the cost of your MTech that you are going to do for the first 2 or 3 years. After that, you have to join the company at the prescribed level. At the fourth year, they are going to give 23,000 rupees. Okay, so as you can see, unique learning integrated program which offers BCA and BSc students chance to build their remarkable while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institute in India, sponsored by Wipro. It will be fully sponsored by Wipro. Meanwhile, that means your educational cost will also be sponsored by Wipro. At the same time, you are getting a job at Wipro. That is your assured. If you obviously if you do good performance, these are the education criteria: 10, 12, pass, 60% or 6 CGPA according to university guidelines. Now, one interesting fact that Bachelor of Science, Computer Science, Information Technology, Statistics, Electronics, Physics, these people have a chance to get into an IT sector. This is some time of unreal. So it is a good opportunity for people like who are currently doing BCA, BSc. So maximum of 3 years of education gap. That's a lot. Usually companies give 1 year. Then no gaps are allowed in graduation. Obviously, then all your arrears and backlog need to be cleared, and there are the eligibility criterias. You should go on and see. Now we're moving. Yes, how to apply? Then on clicking there, you can get. Let me show you from where we have come. Now you will get that apply now button. From here you can apply, and now you can just again click there apply. Now you are going to enter your mail. Suppose here suppose like 31 something dot gmail.com. Anything you can then you are going to the link for that way there. Then from there you can fill up your form. So that's all, guys. I will come up with more such videos and more such placement opportunities. Until then, bye bye, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. And then I will come up with more such opportunities for all the fresher peoples. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.